Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making sure the platform is current and stable. Check Sony Bravia system updates, then restart both the TV and router to clear transient network faults. Once done, launch YouTube and observe any specific error text or freeze behavior. That tells you whether this is network, app, or account related. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so personalized settings and device link are recognized, which prevents playback and subscription sync problems. Now perform the deeper repair. Navigate to App Settings, force stop YouTube, then clear cache and app data to remove corrupt temporary files. This often fixes crashes. If problems persist, uninstall the app or remove its updates and reinstall from the Google Play Store on the TV, because a fresh install replaces damaged binaries. Once reinstalled, reboot the TV to reset services, then sign back into your account so your subscriptions and recommendations resynchronize properly. Finish by isolating network or firmware causes. Switch to Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and run a speed test. YouTube needs stable bandwidth above about 5 megabits per second for HD. If issues remain, update the TV firmware and consider resetting the Smart Hub to restore app frameworks. If nothing works, factory reset the TV as a last resort. Back up your settings first. Troubleshooting tip: if playback errors persist after these steps, note the exact error code and contact Sony support with screenshots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.